Good morning everyone, especially good morning sa'yo Sir Renz. I made this video to sincerely thank you sir. Short flashback. When I was first saw you sir, I felt that you are a good person and you have a good heart. And also sir, you don't hesitate to help me to become teacher in Thailand. At magwa 1 year na ako sir sa pagiging teacher dito sa Thailand. Kung hindi dahil sa iyo sir, hindi ako magiging guro dito sa Thailand. Ikaw yung taong nakilala ko sir, sobrang down to earth at sobrang humble. And then sobrang matulungin sa kapwa. Kahit hindi mo kakilala or kahit hindi mo kamag-anak sir, you don't hesitate to help them. Sana sir, marami ka pang matulungan na gustong maging guro dito sa Thailand sir. And I wish that you are in good health always sir. And once again, sir, thank you for everything, sir. Salamat talaga, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.